I hate babies. Ew, they ugly. They look like my ball sack. It's kinda ugly. I went to a daycare. I took a baby. I drop kicked bro like I was KJ. 20 jump kick head ass. His mama pulled up from corner, screamed out, "What the Sigma?" Or "What the fuck?" I said, "Did you give me Ligma?" "What's Ligma?" Ligma balls, number 15, Burger King foot lettuce with the sauce from Ohio. I can't say adios in Spanish, so el bio. I have a OF link in my bio. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce with the sauce from Ohio. I can't say adios in Spanish, so el bio. I have a OF link in my bio. That baby dead as fuck. I saw bro get ran over. I farted. It smells.